How to make money online. Now, hopefully you're someone who's serious about making money online, because if you are in this video, by the time it's over, you're going to know exactly how to make $10,000 per month, and I'm going to show you how to do it on YouTube. So the reason why I'm telling you how to make money on YouTube is because if you don't know already, YouTube is one of the most popular websites on the internet. Not only that, but a lot of people who come to YouTube not only come here for entertainment, but they also come here specifically to look for stuff that they want to buy. Now, in this video right here, I'm going to show you how Robert Kiyosaki has a YouTube channel. And the first thing I'm going to show you is the secret that I was taught the first time when I first made my first sale online, is that underneath a video that are watched on YouTube, you have the description box. And in the description box, what you see is different links. And in this case, the one right here is the link to richdad.com. Now, that's Robert Kiyosaki's website. So the reason why Robert Kiyosaki has a YouTube page with videos is because when people look for more information in the description box, there's a link that takes them directly to his website, and that's how he sends traffic and people to his website to buy stuff from him. Let's talk about how you can make money doing the exact same thing. So there's two different ways you can have videos on YouTube. The first way is you can make your own videos. The second way is you can have somebody else create videos for you. So once you have a video, whether you made it or somebody else made it for you, the main thing is how to get people to see that video. So if you came to YouTube a little while ago and you typed in how to make money online, you probably noticed that my video popped up at the top of the search. The reason is I know that the most important thing for me to get my message out is to get my video at the top of a search for what I know people are actually looking for. These are called keywords. Now, some of you already know this, whether you used it or not. You know that whenever you go to a search engine like Google or YouTube, you type in whatever you're looking for, and then the content pops up that usually is there to answer your questions. So that's exactly what I'm doing here in this video. Now, once you have people get to your video, you basically have to have a product or a service or something that you have to offer them that's going to be a solution to their problem. And once you do, you basically put a link to that product underneath your video, just like Rich Dad Poor Dad has. And then also in the video you're watching, I have a link below this video, which is going to help you solve your problem to make money online. So once you have your product, you either have to make a product on your own, and the one product I recommend is like a digital product, like an ebook or a training class or training videos or something that you're really good at that you know you can teach other people how to do. And for people who can't create their own product, you can go different places and get involved with something called affiliate marketing. And I will say that affiliate marketing is a little bit difficult for most people, but at least with affiliate marketing, you can start promoting products online on YouTube videos that you can put links to in the description box. And when someone buys it, you're going to get a small commission of that sale. Let's talk about how people make real money. You have to be selling products that are over $500, preferably over $1,000 or over $2,000 in profit for you. And the reason is, with the amount of effort and time that you put into your business, you know that you only need to make 5 sales or 10 sales a month to make a full-time income and replace your job. So that right there is pretty much the formula how you make money online. If you've been around any other type of stuff online that shows you how to do something, you've probably seen that people have items in the description box, or they tell you to go buy something, or even if you wanted to learn how to make money before, you've seen people offering courses for sale, and courses that teach you how to make money can cost like $500, $1,000, or $3,000. And the point is, those people who are selling those products to you are making big time commissions. And in many cases, people are making over $20,000, $30,000 per month. And most of them are doing it here on YouTube. Why? Because it's an easy marketplace where people are coming and they're searching keywords every single day for the answers to their questions and the solution to their problem. Now, I'm not going to go on too much longer in this video because I know a lot of you don't have time, but if anything that I said in this video makes sense to you and you want more information, you can visit my website by looking in the description box below or in the comment section. With that being said, thanks for watching this video, and now I'll go on to part 2. So for those of you who are still here, if you want to learn more about what I just said in the first part of this video, let's move on to the second part. So the second part of this video, I want to explain to you that when I first got started doing this, I was selling ebooks on YouTube in my video, and the price of the ebooks was $20. It was like a group of 10 different ebooks that were all combined for a really cheap price of $20. So the first time I got a sale, I was so happy because I was like, wow, I've been trying this stuff for weeks, and now I actually figured something that works. I made 20 bucks. Let's see if I'll get any more sales today or tomorrow. So by the end of like 1 week, I think I made about $100 in sales. And for me, it was a major breakthrough because I was spending hours and hours and hours doing research on the computer, trying to figure out what it was that I had to do to make some money online, because I heard about everyone making money online and that you can really make so much money doing it. So now that I figured I made $100, I needed to figure out, okay, $100 a week is not really going to cut it for me. How can I bump this up another level and make more? So then someone came to me and said, hey, listen, I have an opportunity for you to make $40 a sale. And I said, you know what? I'll take a look at it. And sure enough, I started to plug in exactly what I was doing, putting videos to talk about that $40 product and ebook package. And I started making $40 a sale. And the next thing you know, I made $500. But then I was like, okay, $500 is just not enough. I still need to figure out how can I make much more money than this. So later on down the line, as I continued to make progress, I started getting into higher and higher products where I was making more commission on each sale. So the moral of this story is, if you start small, or you think that starting small is the ideal situation, it might be if that's all you can afford. But if you can afford to actually set up a real business and get a nice website set up for you with some nice products that give you 100% of the sale, you can make $1,000 per sale or $2,000 per sale using this exact same strategy that I'm talking about. And that's pretty much it. In order to make $10,000 per month online or more, you need to be selling 10 products at $1,000 each. And the thing is that you can do this if you have someone who shows you how to do it. Now, you might not be a salesperson, so you probably can't come on video and really do a whole lot of explaining, but there's some people out there that can provide you with videos that you can put on YouTube, and underneath the video, you put a link that goes to your website, and when someone purchases, you'll get a commission for that sale. Not only that, but if you set up something like PayPal or a credit card processor like Stripe, the person can pay with a credit card and they can send that money directly to you in something like Cash App or Zelle. So that's the secret. The other thing is that most people on YouTube who are making videos talking about different ways to make money online, they're doing that just to create content so that they can have people watching those videos and spending all that time and minutes, because YouTube's going to pay them just to have people watching their video and all those ads that are going through it. So most other things that you have people tell you how to make money online, it'll have you running around in circles, spending time and time, months and months and years trying to figure that stuff out to make it some real money. But at the end of the day, if you're someone who's serious about making real money online, $10,000 a month plus, you have to get it through your head that if you're going to spend any time doing this, you may as well do it on something that you can make $1,000 per sale or more, because it's just going to help you reach your goals. And that's pretty much it. So I hope this video really gave you some good information. If you want more information, visit my website. I also have some other training here on this channel. You can look at those videos and you can see that I'm the real deal. Once again, my name is Kendall Johnson. Thanks for watching this video, and look out for the next one. It'll be posted soon. See you later.